Sometimes, meeting new people feels uncomfortable. We hesitate. We wonder, do I belong here?
But what if she doesn't want to talk to us?
Let's try. Being couple means reaching out.
Sorry, I got upset. Are you okay?
When
We
see each other,
as kapwa
unity grows, conflicts heal,
and communities.
Umaganda ang paligid kung bawat tao ay puno ng pag-ibig. Napapawi ang bigati, masilayan lang ang iyong ngiti. Okay, gandang isipin ang isang mundong puno ng pag-ibig. Parang isang bulaklak na kay ganda na inabot